Welcome to the Kingdom of Onitsha, a city steeped in history and culture, located in the heart of Anambra State, Nigeria. Onitsha is renowned for its vibrant markets, particularly the Onitsha Main Market, which is one of the largest in West Africa. The city is also a hub of commerce and trade, attracting people from all over the region. As you explore Onitsha, you'll discover a rich tapestry of traditions and modernity, where ancient customs blend seamlessly with contemporary life. The city is home to numerous historical landmarks, including the famous Niger Bridge, which connects the eastern and western parts of Nigeria. Whether you're here for business or leisure, Onitsha offers a unique and unforgettable experience, showcasing the dynamic spirit of Igbos. Founded in the 15th century by the visionary King Onitsha, the Onitsha Kingdom has a rich and vibrant history that dates back to the ancient Benin Empire. This kingdom, nestled along the banks of the majestic Niger River, became a beacon of culture, trade, and tradition. King Onitsha, a revered leader, established a legacy that would endure for centuries. The community thrived, with bustling markets, intricate art, and profound spiritual practices. The people of Onitsha were known for their resilience, wisdom, and unity. Over the years, the kingdom witnessed numerous transformations, yet it always retained its core values and heritage. Today, Onitsha stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of its founders and the rich tapestry of its past. In the 19th century, Onitsha became a major trading hub, attracting European explorers and colonial powers. The town's strategic location along the Niger River made it an ideal spot for commerce and trade. Merchants from various regions converged here, bringing goods such as palm oil, ivory, and textiles. The bustling markets were filled with activity, and the exchange of goods and cultures flourished. European traders established trading posts, and the influence of colonial powers began to shape the town's development. Onitsha's rise as a trading hub marked a significant chapter in its history, laying the foundation for its future growth and prosperity. The kingdom's monarchs, including Obi Omalu and Obi Anazodu, played key roles in shaping Onitsha's destiny. Onitsha's culture is a vibrant blend of Igbo traditions and modern influences. The Ofala Festival, a celebration of the monarch's authority, showcases the kingdom's rich cultural heritage. Onitsha is renowned for its skilled artisans, specializing in wood carvings, pottery, and textiles. Title-taking and initiation ceremonies are essential to Onitsha's traditional system. Family ties and ancestral worship are deeply ingrained in Onitsha's cultural fabric. Onitsha's cuisine, featuring dishes like akara and egusi soup, reflects its rich cultural diversity. The Kingdom of Onitsha stands as a testament to Igbo's rich cultural heritage. Today, the kingdom continues to thrive, with its people proud of their history, culture, and traditions. The Kingdom of Onitsha, a legacy of excellence, a future of promise.